What's up, YouTube? So tonight's video was kind of impromptu. I had to harvest some of these leaves, the lettuce plants. Um, one of the plants, the leaves were very spotty. So I think it was just way too many leaves and it didn't have enough space. And I think the plant became sick or was becoming sick. I'm not sure. But yeah, I ended up I didn't even eat most of that one. I had to throw most of it away. So what I did was I just went in on the other ones. It's still a fair amount of leaves left on the plants, but it made me realize, yeah, I should probably start eating my lettuce. I didn't think they were ready, but they're ready. So that's what this video was about. It's just me basically documenting um, how they look before I start eating them. One last look at them while they're in their fuller state. And yeah, I'm about to fuck it up. Make some. I'm gonna make a burrito. I'm gonna make a yeah, I may make some nachos too. A small burrito and some nachos. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching my video and bye for now.